Good morning, students. So today you will meet me again for the new topic. It is about how to use a spoon and fork as a tongue. So you can call another word is about silver service. So normally, if you are working in the restaurant, you should be know how to use fork and spoon to be a tongue or silver service. So it's like this. How to handle it? So use your finger like that. Okay. You can see. And one more thing, your fork at the top. Okay, try to little bit shake. So why did we need to use for the silver spoon or just fork and spoon to be as a tongue? Normally you should be use it during you serve the break to the customer. It means you serving the break to the baby plate on the guest table during breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, and also like a silver service or a golden service, when you getting the thoroughly service in front of the guest, you should be use the this dime for serving something to the customer. So now let's check all together with me how to transfer one item to another place. Okay, all students, so now I would like to show you how to handle it. It's been like that. Okay, and try to shake it for make you feel firm how to handle it. Okay, so I hope that you can practice it at your home and use your fork and spoon. I think at your home will be have fork and spoon, and try to take some lamb or lemon or potato or tomato as well. So normally I have the paper to showing you so how to handle it and transfer item to another place. So it means you like that. Okay, you can see, and drop to another plate. Okay. Okay. So now just take the example. This one is the bread basket and this one is the soft roll. Okay. So we serving the soft roll to the baby plate. You can see. Okay. Okay, all students, now I have showing you to the video of the practice how to use fork and tongue to be a tongue for serving some bread or some food to the customer. So I hope that you will re-watching it again and again for getting more knowledge how to use or how to work as a silver service. So I hope that you can practice one time, and I hope that you will practice like. So thank you so much for your pay attention and watching our video. See you for next lesson.